This is how every Lean Six Sigma improvement process starts. It is comprised of 5 steps, though most steps are fairly complicated. It will also utilize some of your existing capabilities. The first step is a business case. Every project needs to meet a business goal. It could be operational excellence, customer intimacy, innovation, or any other business goal. A clearly defined project goal is required for success. The project goal should support the business goal. This first step ROI will be a back-of-the-envelope effort and is used to clarify whether a project makes sense. Any project should have definable short-term and long-term benefits. These should be delineated and published. The next step is the problem and opportunity statement. The problem is the genesis of this effort. Clearly document the issue, what is and isn't working, and the pain point. Every project will deliver some pain as a byproduct. It competes in the company for money and resources. It has a potential for disruption. Each of these pain points should be documented. Unaddressed issues and concerns are saved in a virtual parking lot. These should be addressed before the project continues. At this point, the project is defined and qualified. Now it is time for detail. By documenting measurable project goals, we now have a clear bogey to shoot for. This is the crux of what we've been trying to accomplish. A goal should be SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, timely. It is important to clearly document the current state to be able to measure the improvement the goal delivers. This should be done carefully and analytically. This is the problem statement from before. Completion metrics are important because the end goal is fixed at this point. The completion metrics are used to measure success and completion. This is the time to speculate on a targeted completion date. A real completion date will be determined in the next session when all of the resources and constraints are put together. The 2 dates are then compared to determine if the project will meet requirements. This project should help an organization achieve a KPI. There needs to be an associated measure, well-trusted data source, and target. This aligns with the business objective. Critical success factors are a project requirement for success. It may be training or education. It could be innovation or any other thing that is missing but is required for project success. This should be documented. To lower project cost, increase speed, and decrease risk, it makes sense to engage the project management team that does this for a living. They will help estimate project cost and design the project plan and schedule. With our input, they will be able to take a lot of risk out of the project. Lean Six Sigma utilizes 2 different processes depending on whether you are improving a process or building a new process. The improvement process is called DMAIC, which stands for Design, Measure, Analyze, Improve, Control. The new process methodology is designed for Six Sigma, whose process is referred to as DMADOF, which stands for Defined, Measure, Analyze, Design, Optimize, Verify. There is also an iterative design methodology focused on innovative website design, whose processes are Build, Measure, Learn. At this point, meaningful milestones will fall out of the project plan naturally. The next step is to assign the right people and other resources. Lastly, document as many project risks as possible. This will help with risk mitigation. The last or 5th step regards assembling the team. This process started earlier and is ongoing. This involves key managers and business liaisons. These individuals will manage and report progress. The rest of the team will be organized in an organizational structure with contact information listed to ease communication. Everybody's role needs to be detailed and published. Nobody should be ambiguous about their role. Projects represent to a business that the direction of success is forward. A company's future success relies on projects. This project, as well as every project, is directly connected to a business goal. Whether the project is large or small, this connection is important. This methodology has been used extensively and is battle-tested. If you think you can improve it, please let me know. Projects move a business forward. Always improve. I am Jim Fitzgerald, a Lean Six Sigma Master Black Belt, and the project charter is my responsibility. If you are planning to build your production system or improve a process, this is the start. I am an expert on the Toyota production system and innovation. Good luck on your successful low-risk projects. This last presentation shows manufacturers, businesses, and hospitals how to build a system like Toyota.